I'm going to do a bit of a real world review of this thing. It's a yaberauto YA60. The only way to get power out of this or any of these USB ports is you've got to push this power button here. And then if you hook this up to something like a refrigerator, portable DC refrigerator, and it'll run it. But then when the DC refrigerator stops because it's reached the temperature set point, then the consumption drops down to like 2 watts, and then this turns off. So this will not continuously power a DC fridge. The other problem with this is when you hook a DC fridge to this, and then you, like for example, if you have a switched power outlet on a car and you hook it to this USB-C input, when this receives USB-C input power, it shuts off the DC out power. So it is not usable for like running a DC refrigerator, because you can't be charging it and having power come out at the same time.